this is Alicia from the Honey Company, and today I am going to make homemade chili powder using peppers and spices from my home garden. So the first ingredient is 4 pepper powder. So this powder is powder that I made from chilies I grew in the garden. I grew Anaheim's, cayenne, jalapeno, and ancho. So I grew them and then I put them in the dehydrator and dehydrated them and then ground them using a coffee bean grinder. So this is 4 pepper powder. That's just ground up peppers. Okay, so I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of 4 pepper powder. This stuff is pretty spicy. Okay, this is again for chili powder. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of that. 3 tablespoons of cumin, and I bought this at the local store. It's from Winco. 1, 2, 3. I like Winco because they sell bulk spices. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1, 2, 2 tablespoons of oregano, which we harvested from the garden this year too. 1. I like oregano because it's got a spicy kick and it puts a little green in it. Okay, 2 tablespoons of salt. This is just pure sea salt. 1, 2, and then 1 tablespoon of the secret ingredient, smoked paprika. This stuff gives your chili a nice, beautiful, smoky flavor. You'll love it. Get a tablespoon. Oh, that's okay. A little more of that. This is not an exact mixture.
Isn't this satisfying, all the layers?
Yep. Okay, the next thing is we're going to take the mixture and we're going to shake it up, and then we have chili powder. This is the mixture of chili powder that I used to make this homemade chili. So we're using it up as we, you knew something smelled good. We use it up as we grow it, and this is a great way to use the herbs and spices that you harvest in your homestead garden. This chili powder is a nice medium to mild flavored chili powder. The 4 pepper powder is very spicy, but by adding the other ingredients, it makes a nice family-friendly kind of chili powder that's really rich in flavor.